Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Jeep Grand Cherokee navigation system. Start the vehicle, power the Uconnect screen, and tap navigation to begin. Use voice prompts or the touchscreen to enter an address, and choose route preferences like fastest or shortest. Enable live traffic and map updates for better routing. Save home and work locations for one-touch access, and review lane guidance during complex exits to stay confident on the road. Open the navigation menu and choose address, point of interest, or recent to set a destination. Speak clearly for voice entry, and confirm the match shown on screen to avoid mistakes. Adjust route settings to prefer highways or avoid tolls, then hit go to begin guidance. Watch the upcoming turn prompts and follow lane guidance as you approach exits. If traffic worsens, the system can recalculate and offer alternate routes automatically. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: pick up some leak-proof containers to keep meals tidy during long drives and reduce messy spills in the cargo area. They're perfect for road trip snacks. I find them handy when packing cooler bags or organizing the trunk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tap Settings, then Navigation, to explore advanced options like traffic, map orientation, and guidance voice. Turn on live traffic for dynamic reroutes that save time when incidents occur on your path. Use 3D view for clearer landmarks in unfamiliar areas, and toggle night mode for comfortable nighttime driving. Pair your phone to send arrival notifications or stream map data from apps when supported, keeping your trips smoother and more predictable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.